Hello, I'd like to introduce you to Kyta Rhino and the CleanWash bottle. Kyta Rhino is a unique nasal rinse infused with chitosan. Chitosan is an amazing all-natural biopolymer. You can learn more about chitosan in our FAQ section on our website. The CleanWash bottle is a best-in-class product. We're going to spend some time understanding the principles of nasal irrigation and how to effectively use the CleanWash bottle. We do have other videos describing in detail the components of the CleanWash bottle, but let's review them briefly here. This introduction will help you understand why the CleanWash bottle was designed the way it was and provide peace of mind as you get started on your path to better nasal hygiene. The CleanWash bottle contains an upper cap, a lower cap, and a soft nasal tip. If you remove the soft nasal tip, you will note that there are two valves. This one is for air and this one is for liquid. If we look at a commonly available nasal rinse bottle, and most all nasal rinse bottles on the market are designed like this one, there is no valve. You can look straight down the tube. The sidewalls are very collapsible. You don't need stiffness if there's no valve to draw the water and the air back into the bottle. While a common design, this design is inadequate because these bottles have no removable bottom, they have a narrow neck, and no valve in the nasal tip. They become contaminated with organisms from the nasal cavity during the backwash that occurs during nasal irrigation. The medical literature is very clear that these bottles become contaminated with Staph aureus and create biofilms in the bottom of these bottles. This creates a cycle in which you are irrigating with contamination every time you use the bottle. Our bottle is unique. You can remove the bottom, you can remove the top, you can take the tube out, and you can take the nasal tip off. All of this is dishwasher safe. In addition, because you can remove the top and the bottom, this allows for free flow of air through the bottle so it can completely dry between each use. You will also notice that the CleanWash bottle has a wide top and a wide bottom. This makes for very easy cleaning. Now let's talk about these valves. We have one for the liquid coming out of the bottle and one for air being drawn back into the bottle. As you use the CleanWash bottle, using slow, gentle, pulsing motions allows for a continuous flow of irrigation as you irrigate your nose. Because these valves work independently, one flushing the liquid and one drawing in air, this allows for you to cycle without interruption as you irrigate. Many nasal rinse bottles on the market, when you use them, you squeeze and draw back in. That's where the contamination comes. Squeeze, draw back in. That's where the contamination comes. With the CleanWash bottle, gentle pulsing continuously will rinse the nose more efficiently. Now let's take a look at these bottles side by side. The CleanWash bottle on this side and the leading brand on this side. The CleanWash bottle, by design, as we've described, is stiffer. This allows the bottle to rebound, draw the air back in, and recharge so that when you squeeze it again, you get this continuous flow. The leading brand bottle is made of a very soft plastic. It doesn't need to be stiffer because there's no valve. No valve leads to contamination. This is an easier bottle to squeeze than the CleanWash bottle. But let's talk about how to use this efficiently. One unique feature of the CleanWash bottle, as we have mentioned, is the removable bottom. This allows you to easily clean the bottle and keep it dry. Another aspect to this feature is the fact that you can place your saline powder into the bottom of the bottle without making a mess. If you look at other narrow neck designs, one of the problems with those designs is as you're pouring it in, you can get spillage over the side of the bottle. Also, if your pharmacist or physician has provided for compounded medication for use during nasal irrigation, the removable bottom acts as a nice workspace to place your compounded medication along with your saline powder. If you would like to make the CleanWash bottle easier to squeeze, one option is to take a small amount of boiling water and fill it just to the mark of where the writing begins on the bottle. You can swirl that around, that softens the plastic. Then you can follow it with your room air distilled water. And you can fill that to the fill mark. And as you do that, the plastic maintains its compressibility to provide for an easier to squeeze CleanWash bottle. Another option to help warm the water and to help soften the plastic is to place the bottle in the microwave. Heat at 10-second intervals until the desired temperature is obtained. Always test the temperature of the water on the back of your hand. If it's too warm for the back of your hand, it's too warm for your nasal cavity. When using a neti pot or the CleanWash bottle, we recommend following FDA best practices for water that has been filtered down to 0.1 micron or water that has been treated to eliminate microorganisms. You may use readily available distilled water available at any grocery store. You may boil your water for 2 minutes and then let it cool to body temperature. You may also use a water filter that filters down to 0.1 micron. This is a product offered by Sawyer Products, Sawyer.com. You can use this for travel or around the home for readily available filtered water. Thank you for your time as we reviewed the components of the CleanWash bottle. We have designed a best-in-class product to ensure safe, efficient nasal hygiene for you and your family. Thank you very much.